Hello and welcome to the video newsletter for November and December, brought to you by thevirtualinstructor.com. My name is Matt, and I'd like to thank you for taking a look at what's new around the site. I've made several new enhancements to the site and added lots of new videos and features, so let's take a look at what's new for you at thevirtualinstructor.com. The first video I'd like to share with you is a recorded live lesson, actually two recorded live lessons, on using Faber-Castell's Polychromos colored pencils. Members can check out both of the live lessons. If you're not a member, you can check out excerpts as well. Another video added to the site this month is a live lesson on using black and white Conte on gray paper to draw drapery. The recorded live lesson is available to members. A free video added to the site this month features 3 different approaches to using colored pencils. In this video, we take a look at hatching, cross-hatching, layering colors, as well as creating an underpainting. Another live lesson that has been recorded and added to the site for members is on drawing with value. In this video, we take a look at the importance of value to create the illusion of light using graphite. This video is available to members. Also added to the site is a recorded live lesson on using black and white charcoal on gray paper to create a still life drawing. The full recorded live lesson is available to members, and if you're not a member, you can check out the excerpts by following the link below. A free video added to the site this month is on painting with knives, and in this video tutorial we take a look at using oils to create a landscape painting. This video is available to everyone, just follow the links below. Another live lesson added to the site this month is on using white charcoal on black paper to create the illusion of a strong dynamic light source. This, of course, is called chiaroscuro, and in this video we talk about how to create that illusion. And in the Pastel Landscape Mastery series, we have added module number 8, and on this module we're discussing how silhouettes can be used to create emphasis on dynamic elements within a landscape. This video and accompanying ebook is available to members. Also added to the membership site is the Elements of Art Teacher Pack, which includes Keynote and PowerPoint presentations, as well as handouts for students. This is available for members already, but if you're not a member and you'd still like to get your hands on the Elements of Art Teacher Pack, I'm offering it for just $17. Also added to the Ultimate Lesson Plan are 2 new lesson plans. This one here on colored pencils, and another one on Color Theory Part 1. I'll continue to add to the Ultimate Lesson Plan until we have a complete year's course worth of material. I'm also pleased to announce a brand new video series that will be available to members. The Oil Painting Master Series, which will comprise 19 modules, will begin to be released starting in December. Thank you for taking a look at the video newsletter for November and December for thevirtualinstructor.com. Don't forget there's a Facebook page. Why not go check it out? And be sure to like it while you're there at facebook.com/thevirtualinstructor. Also, if there's any tutorial that you'd like to see or you'd like to see a product tested out, be sure to send me an email at contact@thevirtualinstructor.com and I'll be glad to share that with you. Until next time, remember to do what you love and love what you do.